welcome back to my channel. For people who haven't seen my video before, this is Ann Lee. I'm a real estate agent with Team Tyler Nguyen at eXp Realty. Today I'm gonna take you guys to go see house with me. Let's go.
It's a completed new house just built in 2021. It's included 3 levels with 6 gorgeous bedrooms and 4.5 bedrooms. The total square feet of this house is 5,536. When we first come in the house, there's 2 big spaces, one's on the right side and one on the left side. They both can be living room with big windows that brighten up your house. The other side you can use as another dining room. I know some houses normally have 2 dining rooms, one small and one big. This is the closet to put shoe or jacket in. Let's take a look at the dining room with many big windows around, connecting to the kitchen. This is the deck. Imagine on warm days, take your coffee to the deck, overlooking your beautiful fenced private yard, or have a barbecue day with your family. Let's go back to the huge kitchen that has 6 burner gas cooking and double oven, with marble design countertops, oversized center island, stainless steel appliances, and a lot of storage. This is the first room on the main level. It can be used as office, playroom, or bedroom. This is garage door. This is the half bedroom. Look at the mirror. I'll show you how cool it is. It's useful for makeup or taking pictures. Sorry, it's a girl thinking. This feature included in all bathrooms. Now let's go upstairs to explore the bedrooms. It has 4 total bedrooms or upper level. First one on the right side. Again, I really like how they have a lot of big windows. And this is the closet. It's connected to the bathroom. This bedroom has 2 doors, so it can be used from this room privately or outside using from the other door. This is the second bedroom, also with closet. Now, let's go check out the luxurious master bedroom. It's a very big room with 2 walk-in closets. One's for her and one's for him. So no fighting. Now come in here with me to see the huge bathroom with large soaking tub, plus oversized shower. This is big as a regular bedroom. This is the last bedroom on upper level. It can be considered a master bedroom too because it has private bathroom. It's a very nice marble standing shower. Also have the closet. Now let's go down to the basement. A little extra storage room on the right side. Also with the separate walkout door. This space can be media room, creation room, or playroom for kids. This is the last room of the house. Can be used as bedroom or exercise room with walk-in closets. And a full bathroom. This bathroom also has 2 doors. This is the other side of the basement with little kitchenette. This is the neighborhood outside of the house. They built a lot of new construction in this neighborhood recently. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you want to go see house, please contact me at 571-355-6166 or email me at anle@teamthailangwin.com. Bye and see you guys for the next video.